The global population is rapidly growing, and urban areas are expanding at an unprecedented rate. This surge in urbanization has brought significant challenges, one of which is air pollution. As chemicals and pollutants accumulate in the atmosphere, they pose serious risks to human health. Prolonged exposure to polluted air can lead to lung diseases and reduced lung capacity. In addition to air pollution, many people face other conditions that impact their lung health, including chronic asthma, cystic fibrosis, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Smokers further compound the issue by voluntarily harming their own lungs and those of people around them through secondhand smoke. With all these factors in play, protecting lung health and finding ways to cleanse the lungs has become increasingly important. Natural ways to support lung health. Fortunately, the lungs are self-cleaning organs that can begin to repair themselves once exposure to pollutants stops. For instance, quitting smoking or moving to a less polluted environment can lead to noticeable improvements. However, completely avoiding pollution is not always possible, and for individuals with chronic lung conditions like asthma or COPD, the effort to keep the lungs clear of mucus and irritants is ongoing. 1. Exercise. Regular physical activity can have profound benefits for lung health. Exercise forces muscles to work harder, which increases the body's breathing rate and boosts the oxygen supply to the muscles. It also improves circulation, helping the body remove excess carbon dioxide. Over time, the body adapts, making muscles more efficient at using oxygen and producing less carbon dioxide. 2. Green tea. Research suggests that green tea is rich in antioxidants that reduce lung inflammation. A study from Korea found that participants who drank 2 or more cups of green tea daily had better lung function compared to those who didn't consume it. 3. Anti-inflammatory foods. Eating anti-inflammatory foods can help reduce airway inflammation, making breathing easier. Examples include leafy greens, cherries, blueberries, walnuts, turmeric, beans, olives, and lentils. 4. Steam therapy. Inhaling water vapor can open airways and temporarily drain mucus, providing relief from congestion. 5. Controlled coughing. Purposeful and controlled coughing helps clear mucus from the airways, supporting lung function and making breathing easier. By incorporating these practices into daily life, individuals can naturally support their lungs, improve their breathing, and enhance their overall health.